Ooh, had to run the little one off. You see that? Starting to get a little aggression in these bucks. Saw some the other night. Ooh. Man, we see some little dominance coming around because that was the two big ones. Hang on. What we got going on here? Big boy's in a bad mood this morning. He's running, he's kind of pushing everybody around now. I haven't seen, this is the first time I've seen aggression out of these bucks. And that big buck's starting to push them around. I just can't see them good. Go back right there and see if he does it again.